the wow box might arrive tomorrow. It might arrive tomorrow, the wow box. Yung in-order ko, nilagada. Finish your food, please. Oh yeah. Beautiful piece of meat. It's like near the bone. Like chops, pork chops. Yeah. Beautiful, beautiful.
Oh no.
Morning, guys. It's traffic, you know. Traffic. Yeah. It's almost 7:30 in the morning. Gonna run some errands. Pick up my cooler at Brian's house. I'm here at Pampanga. What market is traffic as heck. I tried to stop by the bank. It's still closed. I don't open till 9 o'clock. It's not even 8 o'clock yet, so I don't know what I'm gonna do for an hour. Anyway, I have zero cash and I only have 20 pesos in my pocket. I'll probably ride around for an hour or so. Still some time somewhere. Say hi! I'm trying to get through Malabanyas. Just some kind of rush hour right now. People doing the palengke stuff and getting to work. Trying to get to work. I don't know what else. But exciting stuff, right, guys? I hope I don't run out of gas. I have like 20 pesos in my wallet. The reason why I gotta wait for the bank is because I had to surrender my ATM for the newer, more modern version with the chip in it. So that's gonna take about a week. That won't be ready till next week. In the meantime, each time that we need to withdraw, we need to go inside the branch. But the branch doesn't open until 9 o'clock. And if you're like an early bird like me, 9 o'clock is alright guys, it is. Oh yeah, thank you. Thank you.
Visible thing.
Oh, okay lang. Well, it is a little bit over 8 o'clock. I'm here to Swiss Chalet, gonna have breakfast. The bank doesn't open until 9, so luckily they accept any amount to use the credit card. I only have like 20 pesos in my pocket, and I'm hoping my truck doesn't run out of gas. If not, I have 20 pesos to put in there. But anyway, I gotta wait until 9. So in the meantime, I'll have breakfast, wait it out till 9 or so, or close to 9. So I ordered the usual, the Swiss breakfast, but this time instead of the ham, I ordered the bacon. I always get the ham, so I just want to try what the bacon tastes like this time. Alright, here at the bank. 5 minutes still opening. So we'll wait. In the meantime, there's the view. There's the Libago Pure Gold. And across from that is diamond, I think? Or there's another Pure Gold over there. That's what diamond subdivision is. 5 minutes. Alright guys, I'm home now from doing errands. I know it. Am I going with you, hon? My wife's heading out again. She has to ship some items. She suddenly feel tired. And it's hotter outside. Plus, I gotta take little girl to school in a few. Can I go smack that?
Ano ba talaga? Make up your mind.
Can't make up my mind if I'm gonna go or not. I just came from running errands. I got a lot of shit done today, early in the morning. The only thing that kind of set me back was waiting for the bank to open. Yeah, I was. Ended up going with my wife. So we're at the bank. Withdrawing again. They'll take it to the post office. Since we're here, we're gonna check if our ATM by chance has arrived. So that's what we're supposed to be filming in there. Alright, we're done here. Now off to the post office. You done, hon? Post office. I didn't know there were like Civic Turbos now. There's one here, right here beside me. Civic Turbo, 4-door. Pretty nice. Alright guys, now we are here at the post office. Yeah, we'll probably grab some lunch after this. I don't want anything too heavy. Just something like, 60, 80 pesos, hopefully. Where are we at? Hopefully we find something around here. And I think I need to get my brakes checked. My motor. Rear brakes are kind of running weak. I know I just got it changed, but I think the spring busted out or something again. Anyway, we'll see what's up. Correction! It is my front brakes that has gone weak. Yeah, I knew it because I just got my rear brakes changed. I'm pretty sure. Pretty sure I did my front brakes too, but I don't know, maybe he had the cheap kind and he wore out real quick. And I gotta go look for a place so I can get some front brake pads installed. Pustaan! Alright, we're back to downtown Angeles. Our side of town. Guys, I've been going all over since like 7 o'clock this morning, running errands, and it is now probably around 2. Still running around. One last stop. We're here now at Apple Mall, but we're gonna go grab a quick bite to eat. Here at Manila. Oh shit, this place is fucking packed. This place is packed. Anyway, I know I'm gonna be eating chicken again later, so today I'm gonna order some barbecue pork. No only rice. Should have come back on the rice, because I don't want to eat. I am hella thirsty, so I'm ready to drink like a pitcher of water. By the way, today I'll be hanging out with Kuya Butch. You all remember Kuya Butch, right? So it's been a while since we kicked it. I'm gonna hang out with him later. Do some drinking, do a little bit of drinking and salutan, a little bit of conversating. As you guys know, Kuya Butch is a businessman too. Yeah, I can't go too much into detail in regards to what he does, but he does event security and personal protection, like one-on-one bodyguard, things like that. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna hook up with him later. I'll buy a little something to probably barbecue later at his house. We'll see. Yeah, where's the bus boy? I think they're busy. It should be like back home. Everybody cleans up their own mess, right? But it's alright. So just got done buying a little something, Robinson Supermarket. And we're gonna go head on over to the vape stand and probably buy some e-juice. Let's see what they have available. Okay. Premium blends, kind of harsh in the throat. Let's see. Alright guys, I am back home. We are back home again. It's around 4 o'clock. So I'm going to charge my phone real quick because I'm low bat, and I'll get back with you guys later, okay? I gotta take care of the kitchen. Groceries, put them away. Alright, I'm going to charge the phone. See you guys in a bit. I'm here now with Kuya Butch. She's starting up the barbecue right there. Professional right there, Kuya Butch. See, starting the charcoal. We got the usual wings. He bought the pork, fat ass pieces of pork. So we're getting the drink started, starting up with the beer, MP. And there's Spike right there, down there. Good boy. Good boy, huh? Good boy. That's Spike.
Good boy, right? He doesn't go
Yeah.
off the gate,
No, it doesn't. Good boy.
He's run you out.
So I'm still here with Kuya Butch. We had a lot of barbecue, a lot of drinks. And I was telling him a little bit about YouTube. So I told him, well, go to youtube.com and look up Dr. Kelly. This is my channel. Kuya Butch does a lot of video, but he uploads it onto Facebook. I told him he has good content that is good for, good for,
That's good material.
yeah,
huh?
good video, good content for YouTube.
I never knew.
Yeah, so I'm showing him samples right now and be right back. Yeah, time to call it a day, guys. Once again, see you guys in the next one.